The Lincoln Legend's in the house.
I am changing all the hydraulics on
Yeah.
this lovely 62 Thunderbird.
Vance T-Bird.
And they are antique.
Yeah, they've been around a little while.
Yes, they have.
Ugh.
Ugh is right.
Ugh, ugh, ugh.
Ugh.
Well, the Legend is on the job. He's getting it done. He's already has things routed into the trash can directly. That's a good sign.
Exactly.
We're on the move, baby.
Yay.
Good job, sir. We'll check in
Right.
with you in a little bit.
Absolutely.
All right, so the Legend himself has brought all the goodies to repair Van's top. This is a Legend at work, ladies and gentlemen. John
Makes me laugh.
can't stop laughing because I call
I
him the Legend.
can't.
He is the Legend. He's the man, the myth, the legend.
I'm having a little issue at the moment, but we'll resolve this, I'm sure.
Uh-oh. What's up, sir?
Let's get that crammed back down in there.
Little O-ring battle.
Well, it's the fitting doesn't want to thread itself quite. And could be just my fingers are slippery from transmission fluid, or something's wrong with our connector.
Oh, no.
Yeah, we don't want to have anything wrong. Usually this stuff goes right together nicely.
Looky there.
And it's not.
Uh-oh.
Let's try this other one.
Ruh-roh.
Yeah. It's not going to be any different. Right.
Very high quality stuff. Looks good. Nice Parker hose.
Yeah.
Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. I mean,
Let's take this over to the table.
to the table! That was my Batman music.
Oh, it was, huh?
It was terrible. I'm here to make you laugh. Makes your day go better.
I'm used to working by myself, so
No, I used to work by myself. You remember.
yes.
All the time. And we'd both be like, oh my God, we're working in the same unit today. Somebody to talk to. Look at that. Is it behaving?
No, it's not.
Oh,
Oh, Bobby, this is terrible.
no. No. Please behave.
Well,
What is going on?
it's not threading. It's not.
Oh no.
Maybe you shouldn't film this part.
Oh no. I can edit. And this makes some good pictures of, like, you know, the cover.
Yeah. Oh, we don't want to knock those relays too much.
A little bit of ram removal. Very nice. Oops, sorry. That was me. Ooh, peekaboo, I see you. All right, coming along. Ooh, John's got the Imperial here. The other John. We have Johns everywhere today. You were sawzalling, I see.
Well, the top at the end, what do we call this? The top cylinder.
Mm-hmm.
You know, this particular bolt has been replaced. Somebody replaced this cylinder, and you can see how it's got a bolt with a nut on it. The other side had nothing but a pin with a clip on it. Okay, and that clip what happens is that was original equipment and it sort of rusted itself into position. So the only way to remove it is to destroy the base of the hydraulic ram and cut out the bolt.
Fun!
Yeah.
Fun!
Yeah. After many years of struggling, trying to hammer them out and stuff, I just said, you know what, I'm replacing it anyway. So, you know, just get out the Sawzall and cut it and put in the new bolt.
Very nice. So let's touch on our little issue we had earlier. The vendor.
So what had happened is these cars, when they made these cars, they made changes throughout the run. And one of the changes they made was actually the size of the hydraulic rams that open and close the trunk. So what had happened is they sent me the hose kit for the later version, and they sent me the hydraulic rams for the earlier version. So the two, the connections, these connections, these fittings are a larger size thread and would not fit on the hydraulic rams they sent me.
Oh,
so now we've corrected that, and the new hydraulic rams will be here tomorrow.
All right.
There you go.
Yep. And John will be here tomorrow.
Yes.
Nick will be here. Scotty may or may not be here. I'll be with Wick and Allie. Scotty will be with Wick and Allie. But we'll be back and forth, and it'll get done.
And we'll get it finished.
Yeah.
Yippee.
Fantastic.
Oh, yes. There's always a solution to these cars.
Look at that. New motor. Ooh.
Yeah, that's the new high volume top pump.
Nice.
So it's a larger motor. It pushes more fluid. Doesn't necessarily create higher pressure, but pushes more fluid so that the operation tends to be a little bit faster.
Nice. And we're doing the clicker, I think.
Yes, yeah, we're going to do a remote.
Nice.
A remote on it.
Nice. Well. Van's going to be like, check this out. Bloop. Yeah, that's going to be cool. Peter's car has that. He did a demo for us on a video. It's awesome. All right.
All right.
Keep up the good work, Mr. Legend.
If I can just get this little, what is it, cotter pin out of here, then we're going to take that top ram out and throw it away.
Yay! Yay. Man, the Legend's been busy. Wow. Look at that. What a beauty. The man is on it. Incredible.